What is up, you guys? It's your girl Cindy, and today I am back with another video. As you guys could already see, I am excited for this video because it was so easy to do. So I'm hoping you learn a few things from it. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title, I am gonna try and make this closure look like a frontal, and by the look of it, baby, you could tell I did a pretty good job. Like, hello sis, can you tell me that this is not a frontal? No, you can't. Anyways, this wig, I actually made this wig. It is a 6x6 closure. I purchased the hair from AliExpress, and I believe this is like 22.18, and I can't remember how long the closure was, but I also bleached the knot of the lace. And what else? I did not pluck the hair. I ended up plucking the hair throughout the video, and you will also see that. Anyways, guys, I'm feeling myself. I don't know why, because you would too, okay? You definitely would. Anyways, if you want to see how your girl ended up making this closure look like a frontal, just keep on watching, and eventually you will slay your own hair like so. Let's get into the video. I'm feeling way too cute right now. Okay, I'm doing so much. You're gonna make sure that, don't worry about this because nobody gonna see them, trust me. We're gonna make sure that we use a foundation to line up where the lace is gonna be seen, meaning that in the middle over here, if you're doing the middle part, and right around the sides over here where you think that the lace might be seen. Okay, so let's try it on first. This is the wig. We're gonna do a middle part for this week. Oh my lord. I know I still look crazy, but don't worry. We're gonna fix that. So, since we need to tame this hair down, we're gonna be using the Nairobi mousse wrap. Is it a mousse wrap? I don't know. Yeah, the mousse wrap, and I have this tweezer right here. I'm gonna use it to pluck because obviously we need to pluck the hair. If not, it's not gonna look natural. That's a fact. I'm sure y'all can see the difference because I don't like plucking my hair too much because, you know, when you have the wig for a long time and you're trying to make it look new again, if you pluck too much, that's not gonna happen. So I like to pluck my hair, but not too much though. So I think that's enough plucking for today. Whenever I want, I could just go back in and pluck it a bit more. It's not really a problem. So alright y'all, I'm gonna remove the lace and add the foundation, even though I feel like it isn't really needed because when I bleached the lace, I think I did a pretty good job. So I'm still gonna lift the hair and put the foundation. There is one thing though. It's up to you if you want to add glue. Me personally, I don't want to, but if you want to, you could simply lift the lace and add a small layer of glue. It could be the got to be glue, it could be the got to be spray. I don't want to keep this wig on for too long, so I'm not even gonna do that. You know what, matter of fact, I think I should do it for the sake of the video. So let me grab my glue. So you're gonna take your foundation and you're gonna go across the border. You don't have to go all the way down because the lace is not even gonna be all the way down there. So, and then you're gonna make a straight line into the middle of your head. Alright y'all, for this part I'm only gonna be using one layer of glue because it's a closure, so it don't need that much. Tell me, this don't look like a frontal. I dare you. Tell me that this don't look like a frontal. I don't know. I feel like I don't look good with straight hair, but whatever. Tell me this hair don't look like a frontal. Alright y'all, this is the finished look. But baby, tell me this don't look like a frontal. Excuse you? Hello? Who is she? Hold on, let me just get this. Baby, who is she? And I'm giving you pretty much inches. Right? Yeah, I'm giving you pretty much inches. Let me drink my coffee. Baby, can you tell? Guys, I'm feeling myself. And I dare you to tell me that this don't look like a frontal. Alright y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe as well, because your girl needs your support, okay? So let's help me share this video. And there's not much to say, so I think I'm gonna let you guys go. I can't stop touching my hair. I don't know why. Every girl can't anytime they get their hair done. Anyways, yo,
if you really do enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, please. And make sure you comment, because some of y'all don't be commenting under my video. Make sure y'all comment, okay? That is it. I will see you in my next video. Bye.